Welcome to Tita Lily's Kitchen. Today I'll make chicken with pineapple o pininyahang manok. Ito yung ating gagamitin for our pininyahang manok. 1 whole chicken, cleaned and cut into pieces. Potato, pineapple pieces, carrot, red bell pepper, evaporated milk, garlic, onion, fish sauce, black pepper, salt, and oil for sauteing. All ingredients ready? Let's start cooking. Oil in a heated pan and saute garlic and onion. Let's bring in the chicken. And continue pan frying the chicken. At this point, I'll add seasoning, fish sauce, and ground black pepper. Cover and cook the chicken for at least 2 minutes. At this stage, I'll add the juice from pineapple pieces. Add salt. I guess I've used the wrong pot for this dish. What I'll do is to transfer this to a bigger one. This is much better. And to continue cooking, I'll simmer the chicken in pineapple juice for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. It looks like chicken is almost cooked. Now I'll add potato and carrot. Bring back the cover and give it 5 minutes, or enough time to soften the potato. Potato is cooked, and now we can add the rest of the ingredients. Evaporated milk, pineapple pieces, and red bell pepper. Continue cooking to reduce the sauce. Finally, the sauce is reduced and our pininyahang manok or chicken with pineapple is done. You can check the list of ingredients of this recipe in the description box below. And if you like this video, it would be nice if you give it a thumbs up and share it too. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now, and see you again on my next video.